Okay, I don't usually make videos or record information on the rooms that I stay in, but I have to tell you, this room has some amazing features. One being this fantastic shower that has not only the rain shower head, a regular shower head, rainfall shower head, but these doors completely open so that you are able to take a shower in nature, looking directly at the Papagayo Bay. We've got a great seating area here. There's a fan, and then these doors also open into the bedroom. So perfect shower outside in nature, enjoying the gorgeous view of Papagayo Bay.